Carson,
Hi guys.
Mom.
This is
Jacob,
Carson
hi.
and Jacob. Okay.
But I'm tired of listening to the two of you fight. Hey guys.
Hey guys. Well, we're going.
Part of these two fighting.
Fine, you can hold it. Hey guys, we're gonna go the other way. We're gonna go this way so we can get to the house faster. But it's gonna take a long time to get to that house.
Oh, I just got a weird
Yeah.
scent and it smells like flower.
Smells like candles, Johnny.
Oh yeah, candles.
Candles.
I meant to say candles.
Yeah. Hey guys, I want to tell them something. You guys, if you want us to have more viewers, you have to tell us in the comment. You have to subscribe. All you guys who subscribe at the same time. If you guys subscribe at the same time, it'll make us get more viewers, right? Yeah. Thank you guys for getting more viewers.
Yeah, thank you guys so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're helping us a lot.
You like helping us a lot.
Standing, so I didn't want to bother you.
It's only me and Carson's channel. Sometimes you're on our videos.
You're being a drama llama.
Thank you guys for getting me a Jacob.
We ran out of sidewalk.
Oh no!
The grass is taking over.
How come you get the tan, Bubby?
It's Mom, Grayson,
It's not a good angle.
Haven.
Don't keep recording.
Coyote's a whole way down in his bed.
Whoa, look at the grass. It's so huge right here. Where's the sidewalk?
Right there.
I don't know how to get to where we're going from here, but hopefully.
Hey,
I
Jake.
just didn't want to go back over
Jacob,
the
pause
way
the video.
I can. The screen is frozen, so we're
wait.
gonna have to wait.
I'll pause it. Try and pause it.
We can't do that. But don't worry, it's not paused, okay? Why do you want to pause the video?
Guys, look, it's a dead bird.
I literally want us to have more viewers. I'm trying to
Pause the video.
How will we tell them try to get us more viewers by subscribe or tell us in the comments you want us to do another music video.
Hey guys, get us 20 subscribers by the end of 2026 so we can go live.
And so we can get money and a plaque.
Yeah. If we go live, oh my God! Look at that! Look at that!
Guys, look at that! Train!
It's a train! Sound is coming from over there now.
Easily find out where you are.
Run!
I'm wondering what we should be doing. Should we keep going straight or should we turn that way? Turn that way. We can keep going straight. We'll just have to walk along the busy road.
Guys, hey Mom, I think we're gonna have to walk that way. Walk all the way to the left home, right?
Yeah.
Because we didn't want to walk back, because that was a lot.
If you zoom in, kind of, you can see the train passing by. Here, zoom in on the camera and then point it that way. Zoom in. I can't. It's frozen. Oh, it's frozen.
Jacob,
Okay. Hey.
Jacob, what? When the screen freezes, just do what you normally do. Turn it off and back on. Start another video. Why does it have to be one long video for you to be happy?
Because every video is so short and then it freezes.
Honey, you don't.
That's
you
alright.
don't have to be upset.
If we get
though.
more-
If they
you
all
don't
go
have to
together, it's not going to be a difference.
Jacob, if I post that video and tomorrow, if we get more viewers, Jacob, it'll make you cheer up, alright?
Hey. Together like one long.
If you turn off that,
Go to downloads.
it'll cheer you up, Jacob.
I don't see downloads anywhere.
Jacob, it'll cheer you up if we get more viewers, because I know you like the YouTube channel.
Carson, let's stop by this tree for a second. Okay, that's gonna be the title of the video, okay?
Hey, guys never even check what's up.
Yeah.
Never did your. What the heck?
I know. Joseph, why are you?
Move. Joseph.
You don't cross the street without us. Oh, you can see the train over there.
Joseph.
Just going on a walk right now. What?
I think this should be the end of the video.
Why?
Because of my legs here. I think put this one. Hey, Jacob. We should end the video. How we do it? How we end the video until we get home, right?
Yeah. Guys, look, we can see the train right there too.
Yes. We're gonna have to go that way anyway. Take this alley.
Wait, we're gonna take this alley getting closer to the train?
Yeah, we're gonna get close to the train. Let's get it close up.
Aww. The train just ended as soon as we started running. Kitty. It's probably not even a kitten.
He's abandoned.
Look. Hey. Pretty Haven. The viewers want to see you. Pretty Haven. Look. Look. Look at the camera.
Y'all, 'cause I can't see.
Pretty Haven. She's like, what is that? I don't know. I'm so tired. I'll go put that back up there.
No, it was a cat. I watched it crawl.
You know what? I bet you it's happy and fine because that lady right there in that house is feeding homeless cats. So it's probably just chilling under there for a few
Wow.
minutes.
Jojo, how did you get that stick that big? Hey, Haven.
Jacob, look at mine. Mine is about as big as his.
Here you go.
Carson, you want a stick?
And don't touch that.
Carson, do you want a stick? Carson.
Hey, guys.
Carson, you want a stick?
Johnny, obviously not.
Put the sticks down.
You have to see it. This is just
Hey, guys, what?
If we go home, Jacob, if we go home, let's tell Mom.
No.
If we go home and we're done posting the video, and we're done, when we're done posting,
It's a kitty. It's a black cat with green eyes.
Mom, look, it's a kitty with green eyes. Look,
Black cat with green eyes.
look, Mom.
Joseph Ray Gisler. Get back here now or I put you in the video.
Jacob, your watermelon.
Okay.
Can I just... Joseph! Where's that? You stay by us.
Oh, I've never been here.
Jacob!
What?
If we're done editing when we want to, wait, we tell Mom to post the video, but tomorrow morning we'll have more viewers, right?
Yeah. Guys, look at that.
Big old statue.
Yeah.
Oh, I wanna go play in the field.
Yeah.
It's beautiful here.
Well, it's real.
Soldier helping an old lady.
Yeah,
It's an old lady giving the soldier water.
Yeah, that's cool.
Hey, Jacob.
Ah, my eyes.
Train's coming through. Train's coming. We're gonna get a close up.
Jacob, we're going to be so good. We're going to have to Top our wall video is going to be so good.
Yeah.
We're gonna close up.
Oh my god. Oh my god, look at it. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god.
You stupid. Stay out of the road. It's huge.
course we can get a Lamborghini, right?
That's crazy.
Hey, Jacob.
You're right next to a road, chasing the train.
Hey, Jacob. I want to tell you
That's
something.
not okay. You need to make sure there's no cars coming.
All right. Hey, Jacob. I want to tell you something.
What?
If we get so much beers, we can do for a Lamborghini.
Yeah.
Hey, Ron, I think you're
Jesse, you can be a hairstylist.
You can be a hairstylist.
Oh my God. I've never seen a train this close before. Look how close the train is to us, Carson. Isn't it super cool?
How big is this train?
It has 5 engines, so probably pretty big. 5 engines on the train. That's huge. I'm pretty sure it was 6.
More, Jacob.
Woo!
If we get a lot of language for a time truck.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Holy wow, it's huge.
Look at that. I have never been this excited in my life. That's the closest we've ever been to a train. Point it at the train. Point it at the train. It is huge. Look at that traffic. Look at that traffic.
Our house is down there, right, Jacob?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Hold on, Jacob. Log video.
Joseph. It's good anyways. Look at all the cars right here.
Hey, Mom,
That's
let's
sick.
wait for a lot of money. Let's wait for this time truck. We can just get a Cybertruck.
Yeah.
Guys, listen. We have to cross the road. There's a bunch of cars. So you guys need to pay attention and stop recording for a second.
Okay.
Don't care about it for a second. I know this person's trying to go, so we all need to wait. And nobody runs across the road till I say. Got it?
Got it.
Got it?
Jacob, we can still do a video.
No, once all the cars are gone, we can run across.
Please, so I can lead the way.
It's a convertible. Jacob,
What?
if we what? Another one. Money.
Jacob and Carson, come by me.
Okay.
Let's go. Watch out for the tracks. They may still be electric cars.
I'm touching the tracks.
Rope now.
I'm coming.
Mom's got this road to go back to our house, right?
Now we're going to the gas station.
That was the closest we've ever seen a train.
We did the coolest thing in the world.
Yeah.
The bridge is over there. Look.
Yeah, the bridge is over there.
That was so cool.
Yeah.
Jacob, I need to tell you something.
What?
If we have 1,000, how we have the money to go to race, we can get a Cybertruck and a Lamborghini.
Yeah.
We can have 2 cars
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy a Bugatti.
and a Bugatti.
Yeah.
And a
Jacob gets the Cybertruck. Carson gets a Lamborghini, and I get a Bugatti.
Yeah.
I'm probably not going to get anything. I'm just going to save up my money for better camera equipment.
Yeah, but you have to get Carson some money too.
I know.
They gave me some money so I can get a camera.
Yeah.
If we each get a camera, we can if we can get a if we each
That was the
if we
closest
go
I've ever
high
been
and
to a train.
we have a camera, if we play hide and seek on one of our videos, we can just use camera.
Joseph, really?
Are you mental?
Mom, show the costume.
Did you
secret. We can each have cameras. We can each have 2 cameras. So we each have 2 cameras, Jacob. We can use them in our high C camera video.
We each have 1 camera, okay?
Each have 1 camera, me and you. Mom, be the seeker.
Yeah.
You'll be the seeker, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, look at the pretty flowers.
Poke it in case there's a bee in there.
I don't want to get poked. Oh,
Carson.
look at those flowers.
There's so much.
Take what? That? Here, I'll hold it.
That's Mom.
Okay.
Joseph, I told you need to walk with us. I told you not to cross the street without us. I don't care. Yes, it is. It was a street.
Circle K is right there.
It wasn't a driveway. It was a street. Go back and check. I'm just tired of telling you.
Mom can have a camera too, so we can have a camera on Mom.
Yeah.
And we can have cameras in our high spots, right? First we can get stuff and we can build, how about we build secret rooms, right, Jacob?
Yeah, but we need a lot of money to do that stuff.
Go.
Guys, we will go live at 50 subs. Help us reach that goal and we'll go live. Yeah, you need 50 subs to go live.
It'll be great. It'll be great. It'll be live stream, right?
Yeah, we live stream.
It'll be live stream.
Alright, I'm going to pause. I don't think they allow recording in here.
No, and we have enough money for one. I'll give you a sip of it, but I don't have enough money for one.
I'm going to pause the video.
It's kind of soda flavor. Grayson.
What soda is this?
It's soda. Great. Come on, Gray. Watch out. Let Grayson through.
Yeah, let me unpause it. Yeah, we're in the Circle K.
Jacob,
What?
if you go back, right? We were getting out this paper, we're gonna post a video, right?
Yeah.
If we get
I
out,
wish I had one like that.
I want to show them something. I want to show them this. Hey guys, I got a golden chain.
Yeah.
Can you carry that, please?
Yes, okay, just make sure not to drop it. Thank you for holding the door, Jojo.
That's Haven. You don't drink it, Mom.
I just want to try.
Yeah, but it's Haven's. You don't drink it. Everybody just pause for a second.
Okay.
It has peanuts and caramel, so a lot of peanuts and a lot of caramel.
Is it good?
Well, guys, I got a chocolate bar.
Yeah, chocolate bar.
This is the one that's touched. Jacob, stay by your sister.
Okay. You just hurt my toe. Look, it's the pretty Haven. She's like, is that camera? That is Mother. That's Grayson. And that's Jonathan. That's obviously Carson, and this is me. Where's Jojo? Okay. Hey, buddy. Buddy.
Trey, you can't go with Mama.
Did no one here watch Grayson? Hey, we gotta stay by Haven, alright?
Yo, guys. My staff snapped in half.
Peekaboo!
My staff snapped in half, so now I got double blades.
Cool. Peekaboo! 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 I'm
Sorry, sir.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you do pick. What are you guys doing? Why are you guys doing this? We're waiting for Jesse. You better not be taking so much. He's not. He's not. I'm saying.
Stop complaining or I will put you in the video. Alright, you're in the video.
Grab them. So is it that you wanted me to grab the fucking thing or not? You tell me to get it, and I'm trying to blow up your phone. You're probably on your phone, but just ignoring me. I have no service to call you. It's just so frustrating. I could have already been home by now. It's hot and humid more than you fucking believe. Wanted me to grab the Carson.
Should we keep eating good so we can go to the
Let's keep eating good Carson.
Help me out of here.
Johnny. If you put your socks on inside out, the whole universe is wearing your socks except you.
Where did it go?
What?
We can get so many cars.
The other way around,
Like the famous
messages open,
One of the YouTubers on YouTube got a lot of cars.
Yeah, they got a lot of cool cars. Oh, we need some good camera equipment and a bunch of money to get those.
Like Steven Share on YouTube got a lot of cars.
Yeah.
He got some.
I'm gonna teleport straight across the street. I went from over there to over here. Okay, hello. Yes, I teleported across the street.
I want to tell something. I want to tell comment. Hey guys, this one YouTuber he got a lot of cars. His name's Steven Share. You need to look him up because he'll show you a lot of cars.
Yeah.
Steven Stair has a lot of cars. Haven needs a drink.
It's really nice recording with my brothers. What? What?
Carson, we gotta be good so we can go to Xander's, right? I never told you you could go.
What? Carson, all I heart is chunking.
something.
And when we got home, we got a lot.
Hey, Jacob, I'm going to check. When I wake up, I'm going to check how much shoes I got. How much shoes we got. Oh, we got so much. We got, right?
Yeah. We're going to get so much.
Like, so much, Jacob. Because we didn't know this video.
Yeah.
Jacob, the video should be over, Jacob.
The video should be over because we're almost home.
Yeah.
Okay, bye, guys. See you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe. Carson and Jacob. Out.